Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to tell you about 10 major events that played a crucial role in India's freedom struggle. Top 10 events that led to India's independence are the Revolt of 1857, also known as the First War of Independence. This was the first major rebellion against British rule. It united Indians across different regions.
Second, formation of Indian National Congress 1885. In 1885, the Indian National Congress was established. It became the central force of the freedom movement in the coming decade. Partition of Bengal 1905. The British divided Bengal to weak unity, but this move sparked nationwide protests and gave rise to the Swadeshi movement.
Fourth, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre 1919.
Hundreds of innocent Indians were killed by British troops under General Dyer. This incident shocked the entire nation and intensified the freedom struggle. Fifth, Non-Cooperation Movement 1920. It was led by Mahatma Gandhi, which made a serious urge to Indian people to boycott British technology, British troops, British policy, etc. It was a peaceful yet powerful protest. 6. Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha 1930. Gandhiji walked 240 kilometers to make salt and break the British law. It was a civil disobedience and inspired millions.
7th, Government of India Act 1935. This act allowed limited self-governance, setting the stage for future political reforms and increased Indian participation.
8. Quit India Movement 1942. Gandhiji gave the call, do or die. This was a mass movement demanding an immediate end against British rule. Protests erupted all over the country.
Ninth, Royal Indian Navy Revolt 1946. The Indian sailors in the Navy revolt against British, showing that even the armed force were losing their loyalty to British.
10th, Independence Day 1947. Finally, after decades of struggle, sacrifice, and unity, India became a free nation on the historic day.
Conclusion. These events were not just moments, they were the milestone in our journey to freedom. Let us always remember the courage and the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.